Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk and we're here in beautiful Atlantic City on the Marina side of town. Today we're going to go on a room tour of the Golden Nugget Premier King Bedroom Non-Smoking Renovated Room. The Golden Nugget's been slowly renovating all their rooms over the past year, and I decided to show you guys what one of the renovated rooms looked like, so come along with me. The masses have spoken, that would be you guys, and there will be no AI voices promoting the channel. That being said, if you're enjoying the videos here on the New York channel, why not subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and share it on your social media. Thanks for watching, guys. Right away you'll notice at the elevator lobbies, the little social gathering area by the elevator lobbies, as well as the hallways have also been renovated. The old hallways used to have colored polka dots, big ones. It reminded me of the game Twister. The new look is a little more conservative. The artistic prints in the hallway are a contrast between old school and current casino days. Here we are, 2225. Come on in, kick your shoes off, get comfortable. This particular room is on the bayside with a view of Harrah's, the Brigantine Bridge, and the beautiful, quaint little town of Brigantine, New Jersey. It's a water view. One of the first things I noticed when I walked into this renovated room was that the colors are a lot more muted, like I said, more conservative, more earth tones. The older rooms were a little more severe with a lot of red and black. By the way, if you'd like to see what one of those older rooms look like, the video is available here on the New York channel. I have been in every hotel, every tower, every room, except for some of those big suites. But I've been in a few of those as well, so you can check them all out, like I said, right here on the New York channel. They're not using wallpaper in these new rooms. It looks like textured vinyl. Very handsome. Both sides of the bed have outlets as well as USB and USB-C chargers. It's only one outlet, but I always carry with me a multi-outlet adapter, and sometimes I need it, sometimes I don't. Sometimes it's been a lifesaver. A nice textured headboard and some nice white-on-white bedding. Most of the room is hardwood floors, but there is a nice area rug underneath the bed. Obviously, this is a connecting room. Everything is new, including the thermostat, and as you guys know, I like a cold room. And that goes for any time of the year. Again, lots of browns, beiges, and whites, and well, if you like color, well, you're gonna have to go somewhere else. I happen to like all these earth tones and neutral colors. What are your thoughts so far on the color palette of the hallway as well as the room? Leave a comment below. If you're enjoying the content here and like to support the New York channel, then click on that super thanks button. It not only helps support the channel, but it'll get you a shout out on a future New York video. And a shout out to Dan Kraft, as well as Richard Santee, who left a super thanks on my latest Atlantic City video, driving around the neighborhoods of Atlantic City. Thanks so much for your support, guys. Or perhaps become a member of the New York channel. I'll leave a link in the upper right hand corner right here. Membership does have its perks, and a shout out to the newest member of the New York channel, Annette Morris. So thanks again, Annette, Richard, and Dan for supporting the New York channel. I greatly appreciate it. The workstation in the room is clean and functional and has a comfortable chair. The new television in the room is average size, but it's the right size for this room. There's also water available, but it's not complimentary. It's $4 a piece, so bring your own water. I always do anyway. Like most hotels and casinos in Atlantic City, there's a coffee maker in the room here at the Golden Nugget. Again, everything brand new, including the refrigerator. Plenty of drawers for storage, not only here at the dresser but bedside as well, and this little cabinet has a safe as well. The closet has the usual ironing board, and luggage rack. Now let's check out the bathroom. It's behind this frosted glass barn door. The new bathrooms in the renovated rooms, like the old rooms, have a farm-style sink. I'm not a big fan. What are your thoughts? Leave a comment below. The bathroom is small. Again, it's an older hotel, so even though they did renovations, there's not much you can do with the size of the rooms. But they did a great job with the updates, and again, I love the colors. But the size, the layout, and the single vanity make it a bathroom for one. There's a hair dryer. Of course, I have no need for one, but between the dryer and the iron, a great way to warm up some leftovers. As long as they're wrapped in foil, that is. Plenty of counter space, but again, this is a bathroom built for one. Again, we have this farmhouse style sink. I do like the way they look. However, when I pull up to one to wash my face and hands or brush my teeth, I just find them awkward. So I'm kind of digging these new renovated rooms here at the Golden Nugget, much more than the older ones. What are your thoughts? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you around the city.